GLC X can receive a pressure signal from either a basic switch or from an analog sensor. This walkthrough will cover programming it for a switch. Press the up and down arrow keys together for a few seconds to put the device into setup mode, and then use the right arrow or enter key to make the following selections: mode, interval, timer, interval. On the next screen, use the arrow keys to set the interval, which is the time between the start of each lubrication cycle, in hours and minutes, then press the right arrow key. Back on the previous screen, use the up or down arrow key to select Accept, and then press the right arrow key. This will return you to the main interval screen. Press the left arrow key to return to the previous menu. Use the up or down arrow key to select End On, and then press the right arrow key. Use the right arrow key to make the following selections: switch, timeout. On the next screen, use the arrow keys to set the timeout, which is the time when it goes to alarm if no pressure signal is received, in hours, minutes, and seconds, then press the right arrow key. Back on the previous screen, use the up or down arrow key to select Accept, and then press the right arrow key. This will return you to the main End On screen. Note that the cursor may be over timer, but the top of the screen will still show End On. Press the left arrow twice to go back to the main setup screen. And then use the down arrow key to move the cursor down to Output 2. Press the right arrow to select Output 2. Use the arrow keys to make the following selections: type, vent valve. After selecting vent valve, be sure to accept on the previous screen and then press the right arrow key. This will return you to the main setup screen. Press the left arrow to leave setup, or use the arrow keys to make another selection. Use the mechanical adjustments on your pressure switch to configure it for your application.